Hello, my name is Cecil Gilliard. This is my final project for Harvard CS50. It's called BCDN. It's a blockchain information collective. Here the user is greeted with the login screen where we can register. Let's register. Now we can log in. Now the user is greeted with the home screen where you can access the Bitcoin white paper or a short video on blockchain.
Blockchains are incredible.
Here the user can change their password, so let's change our password. Let's log in with our new password. Now the user can access this drop-down menu where you can get various information on blockchain, cryptocurrency, decentralized finance, and NFTs or non-fungible tokens. Here the user can come and subscribe to a newsletter, so let's subscribe. And upon subscribing, myself and the user will receive an email just letting us know that a new user has been subscribed. Thank you, and that's my final project.